As per the hi-hat, I generally do not mic it, as my overhead microphones are going to be responsible for picking up the specific tone and whatever the drummer is going to be doing. But in this, for this recording, the drummer actually had request to have the hi-hat mic, since he's going to be doing a lot of fills on top of this instrument. Now, the hi-hat is another instrument where you want to be very careful of where you place the microphone and what type of microphone, based on the brilliance, the clarity, or how dark a specific cymbal is. Now, for this specific case, I'm using an AKG 451. As you can see right now, I've chosen to point the microphone pointing at the edge of the hi-hat, so I'm gonna get a very thin sound and not a lot of thick. If I want a thicker sound, I would have to aim the actual microphone towards the bell of the hi-hat, and in this way, the rejection pattern of my microphone, which is a cardioid pattern, it's going to tame down a lot the sound of the rest of the kit, giving me a lot of flexibility with the direct sound of the hi-hat, which in this case is going to be very clear and brilliant, given the fact of how it's positioned and the distance that the microphone has from the direct sound of the instrument.